Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm making a little bit of a different video. Actually I'm creating a mining rig, mining case or whatever you want to call it, out of wood. And I would like to show you what I've done so far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and film it and try to tell you how I'm doing with this mining rig, because I'm definitely gonna be making some videos about it on my channel. So yeah, I will just show you. Okay, so as you can see here, I am setting up a mining rig. Here we have a PCI riser for a graphics card. In here we have just an old graphics card that's going to be used for something else. And we have space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 graphics cards in total. I have a power supply, 600 watt, and there's going to be another power supply right here, sitting kind of like this. Then there is the rack for all the hard drives. So these are actually like removable hard drive cages. So you can drag them out and put in a hard drive. It's actually quite perfect. And so I'm gonna have about, I think, 3 or 4 graphics cards in here, and then I'm gonna have this huge fan that's gonna basically be, I'll show you, it's basically gonna be sitting kind of like on top of here, trying to suck out all of the hot air so that the components will keep cool. But yeah, that's what I just wanted to show you for now. Alright, so I did actually also just pick up this 360 card, 12 gigabyte, which will be going into the system as well. It's gonna be sitting, I think, right about here, perhaps. And the length is actually incredibly perfect. It can just fit there. I can try to just put it in just for demonstration purposes, and I'll just show you how it looks. So as you can see, it actually fits perfectly. Like, there's just space for another GPU right here, which is great because that means we can have even more GPUs in this board. So very good. All right, so I am home with the server. I'm ready to take the old server apart and put in the new one. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to film some of it and try and talk through it, and yeah, we'll see. So. Okay, so I've made some progress. I have two power supplies installed, 500 watt, 600 watt. I have all of the hard drives mounted and installed. As you can see right here, all of them are installed. I have CPU, a big cooler on top that's mounted pretty decently, I would say. 360, sorry, a screen card that I'm gonna use for something else. Then I have, I'm ready to put this in soon, but I need some parts first. So I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna get this one working. So yeah, pretty far, perfect. So as you can see, here's the rig. I have some hard drives. This one card is mining. This is off right now. All right, so as you can see, that was my homemade mining rig adventure. There's gonna be a part 2 because I had some trouble with the whole wooden thing. So I'm definitely gonna upload a part 2, and I hope you will watch that too. Thank you.